The Haitian Creole word for pretty or beautiful is belle. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say you are beautiful in Haitian Creole. Well, that would simply be ou belle. That's it, these two words, ou belle. Now, let's say you really want to add life to what you're saying. Let's say you want to really emphasize that the person is beautiful. Well, you can use the word vraiment, which means really, or you can use the word en pile, which means a lot. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say you are really beautiful in Haitian Creole. Well, that would simply be ou vraiment belle. Now, one way Haitians like to add emphasis is by repeating. So, for example, you can say ou vraiment, vraiment, vraiment belle. You can repeat as many times as you feel comfortable. And also, you can emphasize by prolonging the pronunciation. So, for example, you can say ou vraiment belle. And now, as for the word en pile, so let's say, for example, you wanted to say you are very beautiful, or a more direct translation, you are beautiful a lot. In Haitian Creole, that would simply be ou belle en pile. Now, of course, to emphasize that even more, you can repeat by saying ou belle en pile, en pile, en pile, en pile. Again, you can repeat as many times as you feel comfortable, or as many times you really want to stress that the person is beautiful. And also remember, you can prolong the pronunciation. So, for example, you can say ou belle en pile. Okay, so now listen to this example of how to tell someone is beautiful.
Ah, bon, chérie, elle est arrivée pour m'attendre. Ah, qui sont mes chefs?
Oh, chérie, c'est vos belles en pile.
Pas quoi.
Non, les belles en pile, en pile, en pile, en pile, en pile.
Merci, oui.
And that's it. That's all there is to it. So definitely for more videos like this, subscribe, visit atocreole.com, and support us on Patreon to continue to help us make videos like this. Thanks for watching.